Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To remove empty lists from a list of lists in Python, you can use list comprehension. Here's a step-by-step tutorial to achieve this. 1. Define a list of lists containing various elements, including some empty lists. 2. Use list comprehension to filter out the empty lists from the list of lists. 3. Return the filtered list without the empty lists. Here is the code example to demonstrate this. In this code example, we start with a list of lists called list_of_lists. We use list comprehension to create a new list called filtered_list that contains only the sublists that are not empty, if sublist filters out empty lists. Finally, we print the filtered_list which contains all the non-empty sublists from the original list_of_lists. By following these steps and using list comprehension, you can easily remove empty lists from a list of lists in Python.